Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another Aliexpress haul. I told you guys I was buying a lot of stuff from Aliexpress. When it comes to reviewing Aliexpress eyeshadow palettes, of course, I can only do one a day. So that's why it's taken me a while to get them out. But slowly but surely we will get there, guys. Don't worry, I will be reviewing every single one. So let's just go ahead and start. So I'm going to start with something that I'm not quite sure if I showed you in the last haul, but I'm too lazy to check if I did. So forget it. I'm just going to show you again. And if it is, I'll probably edit it out. Okay, now I'm in a talking mood today. I just want to talk to you guys. But anyways, I bought this brush set, which looks gorgeous. I feel like I did show it to you. Okay, if I did show it, I'm sorry, but I'm showing it again. I brought this brush set, and as you can see, it's like an ombre type of pink to blue. They are really, really soft. However, when they first came, I paid like £7.50 for it for the whole set, and you get like 15 brushes in here maybe. But when they first came, they stank like really, really bad. It smelled kind of chemically, and I really didn't want to put it on my face. So I have washed them since. They smell beautiful. You absolutely can't tell. Yeah, you definitely can't tell that it used to have that disgusting smell, but now it is ready to use, and I'm gonna do like a full face testing. So I'm gonna do my whole face using just these brushes and see how we go. But so far I'm really impressed with the quality because they feel so soft, nothing shedding, but then again I haven't used it on my face, and the design is absolutely beautiful with the ombre and the rose gold. So I honestly can't wait to use this. It's by the brand Mange. It's M-A-N-G-E. Next, I decided to pick up another Miss Rose lipstick. Now this one is similar to the ones that I did a lip swatch video on. If you haven't seen that lip swatch video, I will link it down below. But this one comes in a square packaging. So I just bought one of these, and this is the shade Taupe, and this is what it looks like. So it comes in a square packaging rather than the circular one like the last ones that I swatched. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a really pretty nude color, and I think I would wear this. But once again, with the Miss Rose lipsticks, they all seem to have a tint of pink in it. I really would have thought this would have been a straight up brown, which is why I ordered it, but it does have that kind of pinky purpley brown look to it. So I'm not loving this color too much. So I picked up two eyeshadow palettes from this brand called what? How do I say this without sounding like I'm swearing? Focallure. Yeah, it's from this brand here, Focallure. And then I got these two. So this one's called the Ever Changing eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. Let me get prices actually for these palettes because I believe they were like £5. Yeah, this Ever Changing palette was £4.63, and then the Twilight palette was £5.92. So let's start with the Ever Changing palette. I had a little look, I had a little touch. I am very impressed, but of course I haven't tried them on my eyes yet. But yeah, this is the box for the Ever Changing palette. This is the back. Of course, it's not a dupe for anything as far as I know, and this brand says it is cruelty free. It has the little bunny right there, and then of course it has all of the ingredients. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Here we have the packaging on the inside. It's exactly the same as the box, which I love. And then once you open it up, oh, the plastic sheet fell out, but once you open it up, look at this palette, guys. Of course it's giving me Anastasia vibes, but it's not a dupe. I haven't seen Anastasia do a palette like this, I don't think. But look at this palette, guys. Such fun colors. I honestly can't wait to try this and use this. I did, of course, swatch these metallic ones because they look so foiled and so gorgeous. I couldn't wait. So let me do a couple swatches for you guys in front of your eyes. Look at that. I literally just touched it so lightly, and they are so pigmented. Wow. So I'm just doing all of the shimmers at first. So here we have the 4 shimmers. These are the only shimmers in the palette. Wow, they are like foiled metallic goodness. And I literally took the smallest amount. I'm gonna run out of places to swatch things. So there's the yellow gold. Wow. There is the blue. Woo! Guys, I paid £4.60 for this palette, and look at the quality. Do the last one here. So yeah, those are the shimmers. And the palette does come with a brush as well, and it looks like, and I've just dropped it, it looks like the same brush you kind of get with the Anastasia palettes, in terms of you've got one fluffy end and then you've got one flat brush end. I mean, it's a really decent brush for £4 something that I paid for the whole bloody palette. I am in shock. The palette is so well designed, the colors are so well thought of. I can't wait to test this palette in a video for you guys. Now the next Focallure palette I got is called Twilight, and this is what it looks like. It kind of has that gorgeous sunset color scheme, and this one has 18 shades inside. The last one had 14 shades, so this one's got 4 extra shades. I think that's why it's the extra pound more. This one also says that it's cruelty free, and this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I mean, these palettes seem so well made, and the quality that I've tried so far, by swatching of course, are amazing. So I can't wait to test these palettes out to see if they are any good on the eyes, because if they are, you know I'm going to order the whole brand. Whatever the brand sells, I'm going to order the whole thing. Once again guys, hold on to your seats because you guys are not ready for what is inside this £5 palette. Let's open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Look at these colors. Now I did swatch this one on my Snapchat, which is called Byzantine. Yeah, this shade over here, I swatched it on my Snapchat, and if you guys are from Snapchat fam, I got so much DM saying where is that from, where is that color from, because it was so sparkly and duochrome. It's like a bluish purple with glitter in it. Like, I mean, these foiled shades are beautiful. So let me do a little swatch for you. So I'm going to swatch a couple of the shimmers. I think you got the same yellow gold in here as the last one. So I'm going to swatch a couple different shades. And I'm touching it so lightly, guys. I wish you guys could feel. I'm like literally rubbing it so gently. And look at that £5 palette. I can't believe it. I'm gonna swatch a couple of the mattes just to see if they swatch good, but the shimmers are absolutely stunning. If you want to get this palette just for the shimmers, because majority of this palette is shimmers, then I would say go for it, because the quality, girl, I can't wait to use this. Okay, so now I'm gonna try dip my fingers into a couple of the mattes. I'm gonna take this here, Amber. It feels super soft. Now I'm gonna take Tiramisu, which is this darker brown over here. Oh my god. I mean, they don't look like the best mattes ever, but they look like they will definitely do a decent job on my eyes for £5. And then I'm going to do this shade over here, which is called Rose Valley. Rose Veil, yeah, this one. And then last but not least, I'm going to do the black, which kind of looks more like a grey, and it's called Chili. I mean, they're not bad quality, guys. It's £5. The palette was £5. I can't get over this. My head cannot get wrapped around this. Oh my god. So well done to that brand. I'm not going to say the name again because... Okay, next we have... Oh, okay, this is just jewelry. I also bought this from Aliexpress, this chain right here. It is a 2-piece chain, so it comes with the star choker and then this longer one attached. I got that from Aliexpress. I wonder what this one is actually. Let me open this one up. Oh, I think this is the little star one. I like to buy jewelry from Aliexpress because I only really wear jewelry when I go out, which is not that often. Or when I film. So I mean, it really doesn't have to be, you know, £100 jewelry. I really like to just buy my £2 when it gets rusty, just throw it away. I really don't mind. But yeah, this is what I bought. It is like a star and a moon choker thing, and it is so cute. It looks so much more expensive than what I paid. I definitely think I paid under £1 for this, and yeah, it's just really cute to throw on for videos and stuff, just like this one that I'm wearing now. I highly recommend Aliexpress jewelry, only if you're not looking for something that's going to last you for years. Of course, if you are looking for something that's going to last years, then go to a proper jeweler's shop. Okay, so we are getting down to the last couple bits now. So I'm going to start with this palette, which is a Kylie dupe. So this is by the brand Flossy Sunflower. It is a pressed powder eyeshadow palette. It has like a gold trimming around the outside, which again I think is from Kylie's palettes. And then once you take it out of the box, this is what you get inside. So you've got some eyes on the front there. Is that Kylie's packaging or is that Huda Beauty's packaging? I can't remember. They're kind of just taking inspiration from everywhere. And then once you open it up, you get a mirror inside, which is more than can be said for Kylie's palettes. And then you get 9 eyeshadows. So I think this is meant to be a dupe for her burgundy palette or something like that. And you get 4 matte shades, I think. However, I must say these 2 shades here are very, very similar. They're both like a bronzy gold. Let me try swatch them and see the difference. These shadows are very powdery and not super pigmented. I mean, what is that? There's no reflection on these shimmers at all. I guess one palette had to be a flop. They can't all be gems. I really don't like the way this palette is swatched, so I don't know if I'm even going to do a video on it. But yeah, I picked this up for £3.70, so I mean, I'm not too mad that I don't like it. Then last but not least, I picked up these 2 palettes. Now these are literally not dupes for anything, and they don't have particularly eye-catching packaging to me. I don't know why, like YSL packaging, gold packaging just doesn't draw me in. Give me something like this, I'm all for it, girl. But I don't know, packaging like this, it just reminds me of like old ladies and stuff. I'm sorry if there's any elderly women out there. Love you still. but this packaging kind of reminds me of, I don't know, YSL just gives me old lady vibes, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I decided to pick up these two palettes. They are super sparkly inside, which is why I decided to pick it up. This is the packaging you get. It's like a gold packaging thing. So once you open it up, you do get all of these sparkly colors on the inside. Can you guys see that glitter? And what I was worried about with this palette is that the glitter wouldn't translate onto your eyes or a swatch. It would be one of those things where you see the glitter, then you swatch it and it comes out matte and you're like, really? But I did swatch these and these actually come out with the glitter, as you can see, and they're super pigmented as well. Let me give a couple swatches. Swatch the orange. Like, you can swatch it and you can see the glitter is not disappearing. The glitter is all the way through the palette and they swatch really, really nice. So if you do have like an all matte palette and you're looking for some gorgeous shimmers to put on the lid, I would definitely recommend these. They swatch beautifully. Let me swatch it on my arm. So there is one shade. You can see all of that sparkle. Super gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh. So here we have 4 random swatches of that palette. Guys, I highly recommend this palette. I didn't think I would like it, just, you know, based on looks, I didn't think I'd like it, which is why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. But swatching it and actually feeling the texture of it, it's almost like a cream to powder type of texture. When you put your finger in there, it feels so soft and almost creamy. But then when you swatch it, they are definitely powder. I can't talk today. But when you swatch it, they definitely are powder eyeshadows. So yeah, I highly recommend these palettes. I think I paid like £3 for it again. Let me check. Yeah, they were £3.49, which is basically £3.50. For the quality, guys, I honestly recommend it. I wasn't expecting it, but yeah, this is one of them. So here we have the inside of this palette. Now, this color did come smashed and I did email them or DM them or message them, whatever. I sent them a message saying, hey, this is smashed. I sent them a picture and they told me they'll give me some money back for it. I think they'll give me the money back for this palette and not this one, which is totally reasonable. I mean, I wouldn't want a full refund. Anyways, this one is a bit more smoky. It's got like the blues, the purples, and a bit more goldy browns over here. They're gorgeous, and the sparkle in these are all throughout the eyeshadow. Like I said, I did not expect to love these as much as I do, but wow, look at that. They're just so sparkly. I love it. Oh, and there's the blue. Guys, look at that. For £3. Look, if you're looking for sparkly eyeshadows, I highly recommend these. Okay, girlies, so that was everything I wanted to share with you today. That's everything so far that I've bought from Aliexpress, but plus so yeah, girlies, that is everything I wanted to share with you. That is everything I've bought from Aliexpress so far. Of course, there will be more hauls because I am obsessed with shopping on there right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.